In this video, I will show you to add the contact page in your Squarespace website. Here you can go and click here website, then pages, scroll down, click here plus button, then here you can select one of the page. So let me select this one, contact page. Here you can see these are the different designs for this page. So let me select one of the design, this one. Page is edit. Here you can change the form menu item label, this one. That's done. Now you can add it in the navigation menu. Shortly you will see this one is added here. Now scroll down. So if you want to customize this page, then on the top you can see this one, edit. Now here you can select any of the text that you want to edit. Here you can easily add your own text. Okay, after that you can easily change the image. Then you can edit the contact form. You can duplicate, delete, as well as you can easily edit from here. Then click here content. Here you can change the form button text, this one. So this one is the button text. For example, let me change it to send. Then form fields, click here. So these are the different fields. For example, if you want to remove this one, last one, then click here. Okay, in this way you can easily delete and add any of the field from here. After that, scroll down. Here you can manage the form submission. You can export the form entries. Here you can add your email to get the notifications. After that, scroll down. Here you can connect your MailChimp, Zapier, as well as Google Drive. Then scroll down. Here you can enable the reCAPTCHA so that spam protection should be on. After that, here you can see these are the different styles that you can easily customize. The button, you can change the font style, button style, and you can add the background color. So in this way you can easily add the contact form page. Final step is you need to click on the save button. That's it.